Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most innovative products on the market. Today, we have a game changer for all your cleaning needs: the Cleaning Putty Gel. Display the Cleaning Putty Gel product prominently on the screen. This versatile and efficient cleaning putty gel is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their keyboard, car, and electronics looking pristine. First up, let's talk about its effortless cleaning power. This cleaning putty gel makes dust, dirt, and debris disappear with ease. Whether it's your keyboard, car dash, vents, or electronics, it's got you covered. This cleaning kit works wonders on a wide range of surfaces, including laptops, calculators, speakers, printers, and automotive interiors. Say goodbye to annoying crumbs and dust particles with this universal cleaning putty. Say no to wasteful disposable products. Our putty gel is eco-friendly and reusable, providing a cost-effective and sustainable cleaning solution. Simply knead and store it back in its container for countless cleaning sessions. Rest easy knowing that our cleaning gel is formulated to be safe for your devices and vehicles. It leaves no residue behind, won't harm sensitive electronics, and is gentle on car surfaces. It's the non-toxic choice for effective cleaning. Witness the magic of our cleaning putty gel as it magnetically attracts and removes dirt and dust. Maintaining a clean and tidy environment in your office and on the road has never been easier. Say hello to a spotless space. Show visuals of the cleaning putty gel in action as the host explains how to use it. Using this cleaning putty gel is a breeze. Here's how. Keep your hands dry before use. Take a piece of the keyboard cleaning gel and knead it into a ball. Press the cleaning gel slowly into the target surface, like your keyboard or car vents. Roll or press slightly for about 3 to 5 seconds and then pull up slowly, and watch the dust disappear. Roll the cleaning gel to pick up any remaining residues. After use, put it back in the jar and store it in a cool and dry place. In summary, our cleaning putty gel is a game changer for anyone looking for a quick and effective way to clean their surroundings. With its versatility, eco-friendliness, and non-toxic properties, it's the ideal choice for those who demand the best in cleaning solutions. Try it today and experience the difference for yourself. Don't miss out on this incredible cleaning solution. Click the link in the description below to get your own cleaning putty gel today and say goodbye to dust and dirt. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for a cleaner, better life. See you next time. Display the product image and purchase information on the screen as the video ends.